Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have this awesome digital tuner and antenna. In just a moment, we're going to do a demonstration of this as well after the unboxing. Offers a lot of connectivity. You know, analog, regular composite out if you have an old television set, RGB composite, you know, left and right audio. You even have antenna out like the traditional analog inputs on your television set. You can go right into the standard cable input, which I like this because it offers backward compatibility to older technology. Now, of course, this does receive 1080p via digital signal, however, only on the HDMI output. We have the instructions and questions and answers of certain questions that may come up. User manual. Very detailed, by the way. Real quick before I forget, it also is a PVR, so it actually can record your shows. So if you have a thumb drive, if you have NTFS, it's unlimited size, I believe, and if it's FAT32, it's up to 64 gig. Comes with an HDMI cable, comes with analog cable, yellow and red and white, which is your audio. Nice remote control. The actual device itself, which is really tiny. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. This is really cute. There's the back of the device. I'll show close-up pictures of all this stuff. HDMI, antenna in, all the beautiful doodads. And here's the actual antenna, amplifier booster for the square, you know, antenna that it is. We'll check all this out. We're going to do the installation upstairs in my living room so we can actually see this on a big screen TV versus doing it on a smaller area here. Oh, and here are the batteries for the remote control. Okay? We'll be right back with the demonstration. All right, this is what has been scanning so far. It takes about 20 minutes for actually do a full scan. And we're just about finished. If you look right here, the dots are almost done here. We already received 6 channels. However, the positioning of the antenna is crucial. So I have the tuner down here. Okay, tuner is here. And I have the antenna hanging like this. So if this is facing in the right direction, I may get more. So we're going to see how well these channels, I mean, they came in. Let's see how clear they are. That's the next phase. Now we're using the high definition receiver to receive this video signal. It's not bad, actually. So this is the remote control. I have the audio turned off, and the recording feature is pretty neat. So you just hit the record button on the remote. You can see up here in the left-hand corner that it's actually recording the video. And let's see how we can play it. We go to PVR, and there it is. So we go to hit the red button on the remote control to go full screen, and that's what I just recorded. Now I actually could hit pause to prove that it's actually a recording, and hit play again. So that's the PVR. That's not bad. Now this is what's really cool about this file type is that it could be, you can unplug the thumb drive and plug it into a computer. So this is huge.
So these are the files that the PVR has recorded. And here's a time shift. So if you wanted to play the escape video, we just double click on it. If you have Windows 10
on the 15th,
it'll automatically download the decoder, the codec for the video for that particular file, which is MTS. It's an MPEG-2 decoder, and you'll be able to watch your TV as if, you know, so you unplug it and watch on the computer if you wanted to. It's huge. I think that's really, really cool.
You can't do things
I find that
Denver and Colorado in the West.
I find that huge. That's one of the major huge pluses. Let's go take a look at the menu structure of this NuNet PVR. All right, so this is the menu system for the NuNet PVR system. I find this very intuitive to use. I recommend this product. We're not going to go into grave detail of every single option of here, but we're going to go into somewhat. So this is the picture, setting the aspect ratio. If you wanted to use this on an older television, like a CRT, 13-inch, something, whatever, 19-inch, 25-inch, doesn't matter. We can go This we can go all the way down to 4x3 full, 4x3 pan and scan, 4x3 letterbox, and then 16:9 pan and scan, pillar box, and then set to auto. The resolution is down compatible all the way down to 480i. You have transparency. If you want to still see the picture behind this image, you can do that. If you want to change the channels, you want to rescan, you can do it from this menu. The time is automatically grabbed from the air. Plus, you can also set up a sleep timer and the daylight savings time. You can turn that on as well from here. This is the language that you're using and also includes the digital audio output to go to a receiver for Dolby experience. Then you have parental guidance. If this is going to go in a child's room, you can set up a password, shut down certain channels that you don't want the kid to have. And also on this menu system is a software update. You could do this over the USB. Now we go to the actual USB menu. Now this is huge here. You have PVR configuration, movie configuration, photo configure. Like if you want to watch a slideshow, you can watch all your pictures right from this device just by plugging it in. It's a very useful thing. This can see an NTFS hard drive of unlimited storage capacity. In other words, if you have a 5 terabyte drive, a 10 terabyte hard drive, it'll see it. It's very, very good. This is a must-have product, folks. So if you wanted to do a lot of recording, a lot of TV show recordings, a 5 terabyte hard drive would be perfect for you if you want to do a lot of recordings. It'll also work with a thumb drive, and you can get a 256 gig drive, pop that baby in there, the thumb drive, and record right to that. I recommend this product. Let's go to the conclusion.
So, do we like this? Absolutely. It's inexpensive. It gives you the ability to have free TV to the house with DVR capability, PVR. You're able to record to this. You're able to record to a thumb drive or an external hard drive. That is huge. So the menu system is incredible. You can schedule recordings. It's just a well-rounded piece of equipment that is definitely needed if you don't want to use cable service and your TV doesn't have a digital tuner. This is the answer, folks. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.